I can't believe it. So many persons living in Jamaica without a bank book. But why?
I want to thank the Prime Minister for Jamaica and HOLINESS. I ask you to thank you. Good afternoon, people. I want to thank the Prime Minister for Jamaica and HOLINESS. I ask you to thank you for the corona money when you give to people. How you in a bank book? You can go restaurant and collect the money. I tell the ID and it's your hand. I would have them bank card can go to the bank draw the money. But thank you Andrew for the local money. I'm asking people up on the road, they take time to look money. And Andrew is go no. Look at corona money, Andrew is going to asking people if you take time with it. Don't use it by a rum and don't use it by a cigarette. That's not nice. And don't use it by don't take a gamble, go gamble money and gamble this and gamble that. That's not nice. Use the money Andrew just give if you do. Buy your food, buy your clothes and buy one little socks, buy your foot and put on when you dress up in a yard.